Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Sunmaki Induction Hob. It's a 2000 watt powered hob. It's an individual device with touch control, LED display and timer function for balconies, for camping, for motorhomes and kitchen units, etc. This is the 2022 newest induction hobs by Sunmaki. It's ultra thin induction hob, only 4.8 centimeter thick and 2.2 kilogram in lightweight. Lighter than the most induction hobs out there. It can be packed in a normal travel bag. It is convenient to move and carry and does not take up a lot of space. It is very suitable for balconies, camping, caravans and kitchen units. The operation is more convenient as well. 6 touch buttons meets all our needs. The Sunmaki Induction Hob has functions for adjusting the temperature and power, 3 hours timer, shot lock and booster function. The booster function heats up quickly with maximum power and returns to its original state after 10 minutes of heating. This is very suitable for soups, pasta and fast fried food. People who look for the first time are also competent. And other applications dishes. The induction hob has an adjustable function of 10 power levels and 10 temperature levels. The best choice for heating milk, boiling water, making steaks, grilling sausages, and cooking various kitchens. 10 power ranges are available, 200 watt up to 2000 watt. 10 temperature ranges from 60 degrees Celsius up to 240 degrees Celsius. And the hob has passed the CN and GS certification. The edge of the induction hob is smooth and has no sharp corners. The induction cooker has an automatic shut-off and an abnormal automatic protection system. Whenever on balconies, camping, caravans and kitchen units, we use it more relaxed and high energy efficient. Compared to convenient induction hobs or gas hobs, the energy efficiency of general gas hobs is 63% and the energy efficiency of a general hob is 90%. The energy efficiency of this Sunmaki induction hob is awesome 93%. It can be reduce energy consumption and improve the efficiency of the induction cooker. And it looks really nice. It's a single induction cooker with 2000 watt high power large core rapid heating zone. This is an induction hob that can meet all our requirements. They believe that everyone should be able to enjoy the fast cooking and even that the induction cookers offers. An electromagnetic field under the glass surface of the Sunmaki induction hob heat the pan directly and reads high temperature faster than even while cooking with gas. The Sunmaki single induction hob has precise temperature and power control, 10 power levels and 10 temperature functions. 10 power levels in watt, for example. You can choose 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 1400, 1600, 1800, and awesome 2000 watt power. And we have 10 temperature functions. You can choose 60 degrees Celsius, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, and 240 degrees Celsius. With this induction hob, with a thickness of only 4.8 centimeters, it is very rare that so many gear control are available on the market. This is also the induction hob on which Sunmaki hot plate. This is a great advantage of Sunmaki induction hob to satisfy us while we're cooking. The different temperature requires and the power of 2000 watt induction cookers are enough for everyday use. Very suitable for office workers and students too. We have fast heat dissipation, equipped with a fan and a side nozzle for quick heat dissipation, ensures a longer product life. And we have multiple security features to protect our family. We have a child lock, prevent children from touching each other, And dry fire protection. Prevent dry burning of food and turn it off automatically. And high temperature protection. Automatically switch off while the high temperature exceed the standard. And awesome black crystal panel. The black crystal panel is easy to clean. The high quality glass surface provides excellent wear resistance and easy cleaning too. You can make nearly all with that. Barbecue, fried noodles, French fries, soups, what you like. And it's easy to operate because there are touch buttons on it. This is easy to operate, as you can see, and awesome to use. This is the Sunmaki Induction Hob with up to 2000 watt power. It's a hob with individual touch control, LED display, and if you like, timer function for all your need in kitchen, motorhomes, camping, balconies, or in the kitchen itself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.